Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing admin permissions and picking the exact site you'll update. Without that, you can't change themes or layouts. Once done, gather your logo, hex color codes, preferred web fonts, and a high-quality hero image so styling decisions are fast. Then enable the modern experience and convert or create a communication site and site pages. This unlocks theming, sections, and web parts. Make sure to back up current home page before edits so you can revert if needed. Next, design page structure with intent. Add full-width hero for impact, 2-column for content versus navigation, and small callout sections for actions. Once structured, place web parts strategically, hero for top visuals, quick links for task access, text and image for content hierarchy, and embed or file viewer where needed. Make master templates by composing headers, footers, and column patterns. Save them as reusable templates so future pages stay consistent. Also test responsive behavior on mobile and tablet. To finish, apply your brand theme using the theming engine or upload a custom SB theme JSON to ensure colors and font tokens match. Once applied, configure header, footer, navigation, and audience targeting so content surfaces to the right users. Verify alt text, tab order, and color contrast for accessibility. Publish pages, onboard site owners with a short checklist, and document the template and governance rules. If something breaks, revert using the saved backup or restore the previous page version as a first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.